Hello students, today let's study about solution of Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. What is Lagrange's partial differential equation? A differential equation of the form, a linear partial differential equation of the form PP plus QQ is equal to R. This form is called Lagrange's linear partial differential equation where P, Q, R. These three are functions of x, y and z. These three are functions of x, y and z. So, small p and q you are familiar, that is the partial derivatives with respect to x, and q is partial differentiation with respect to y. So, this is already we are familiar with that in the method of formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary function. This is the form we got. So, for the eliminating the form of phi of uv. In this form, phi of uv is equal to 0 means when you eliminating this phi function, we got the solution in the form of pp plus qq is equal to r. So it is understood now the Lagrange's form is this means you will get the general solution in this form phi of uv where u is function of x, y, z. Similarly, v is also function of x, y, z. Otherwise, x, y, z is equal to c1 and v2, v is x, y, z is equal to c2. V of x, y, z, u of x, y, z. These two. Okay. So, phi of uv is equal to 0 is the general solution for Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Okay. Now, I will explain the working rule of the linear Lagrange's PDE. So, first thing is we have to put the equation PDE in the form of P plus Q is equal to R. Put the given linear PDE in the form of PP plus QQ is equal to R. So after this we have to consider the auxiliary equations. Auxiliary equations are dx by P is equal to dy by Q is equal to dz by R. Okay, this is called auxiliary equations. After this we have to take the pairing. We have to take the suitable pairs and solve the same. We have to consider the suitable pairs and solve the same. So when you solve this, you will get two solutions. Let u is equal to, u is a function of x, y, z. I will take it as c1. U of x, y is c1 and v of x, y, z is equal to c2. Let these two are the two solutions. Then finally the general solution is phi of uv equal to 0. This is our working rule. Okay, first step is we have to put it in standard form pp plus qq is equal to r. In the next step, auxiliary equation. Consider the auxiliary equations dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. After that, suitable pairs. We have to make the suitable pairs and solve the same. We have to simplify it according to the combination. After that, you will get, let that solutions are u of x, y, z is c1, v of x, y, z is equal to c2, where c1, c2 are constants. So, after getting u and v, we have to put it in the form of phi of uv is equal to 0. This is the working rule. Okay, now let's solve the problem. Okay, come to the problem. P cot x plus Q cot y is equal to cot z. So, small p coefficient is capital P. In the given data P is cot x, capital Q is cot y and capital Z is cot z. PQR. So, after that, this is already in the Lagrange's linear PDE of the form, PDE form, standard form. So, auxiliary equations. Auxiliary equations are dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Okay. Now, dx by p means cot x is equal to dy divided by q. Q is cot y is equal to dz by r is cot z. Okay. Next step, we have to making the suitable pairs. I will consider these two first. So, integral of dx by cot x is equal to integral of dy by cot y. So, this is understood, cot x is reciprocal of tan x. So, tan x dx is equal to integration of tan y into dy. So integration of tan x is log of secant x plus is equal to log of secant y, and I will put constant is in terms of log only, log c1. Okay. So next, log of m minus log n, I will write it as log of secant x by secant y. Okay. So understood log m, when you shift log of secant by left side, it is minus. So log of secant x is equal to log of secant y. When you shift log secant by left side, log m minus log n, so that is log m by n. Directly I am writing log of secant x divided by secant y is equal to log of c1. So log and log get cancelled. You are having secant x by secant y is equal to c1. So similarly, I will compare the second pair, that is dy by integration of dy by cot y is equal to integration of dz by cot z. Okay. So now again it is cot y reciprocal is tan y. Tan y dy is equal to integration of 1 by cot z reciprocal is tan z. So it is tan z into dz. So what is tan y? Integration of tan y is log of secant y. So it is, so integration of tan y is log of secant y is equal to log of secant z plus integral constant log c2. So again log secant y minus log secant z is equal to log of c2. Log m minus log n. Log m minus log n means log m by n. So it is log of secant y divided by secant z is equal to log of c2. Log and log get cancelled. So you are having secant y by secant z is equal to c2. So two solutions we got, 1 and 2. So general solution means we have to put it in phi of uv is equal to 0 form. Phi of uv is equal to 0. This is the general solution. So I will put, so phi of, so first solution u is secant x by secant y, secant x by secant y, comma, v is secant y by secant z. So which is equal to 0. This is our general solution. Otherwise you can compare first and last term also. That is also okay. You will get the solution. Okay. This is our general solution of this problem. Next, move on to the next problem. Yes, in the next problem, see z of z square plus xy of p of x minus qy is equal to x power 4. Here, this is not in the standard Lagrange's linear PDE. That's what I put it in the Lagrange's linear PDE. So, px into z of z square plus xy. So, xz, see xz of z square plus xy, p is separately written. Similarly, minus qyz of z square plus xy is equal to x power 4. Now, you can observe this is of the form pp plus qq is equal to r, where p is xz of z square plus xy, q is minus zy of z square plus xy, and r, pq, r, capital R is x power 4. Next, consider the Lagrange auxiliary equations. Auxiliary equations are dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. This is the Lagrange's linear differential equation. Now, I will substitute it dx by p. P is xz of z square plus xy is equal to dy divided by minus zy of z square plus xy is equal to dz by x power 4. After this, we have to compare the suitable pairs. So, I will take these two. So, it is dx divided by xz of z square plus xy is equal to dy divided by minus zy of z square plus xy. Now, you can observe z and z common, you can cancel in the denominator. Similarly, z square plus xy is common term, both are having denominator, so get cancelled. So, you are having now dx by x is equal to integration of dy by minus dy by y. So, integration of 1 by x is log x is equal to minus log y plus log c. So log m minus log y shifting this side plus log y. So log m plus n is log mn. So it is log xy is equal to log c. So log and log get cancelled. So one solution we got xy is equal to c1. Next I will compare these two. So that is dy divided by minus zy of z square plus xy is equal to dz by x power 4. So here see which term zy comparing xz I will compare x power 4 is there. So we have to take the first term. So it will be easy. So I will take xz of z square plus xy. Now here you can see here xy is there. This xy I will replace by c1, some constant from the previous result. So dy divided by x and here cube. So 1x get cancelled in the dz by x power 4 term. So remaining is z of z square plus some constant c is equal to dz by x cube. Now separation of variable is simple. You can see dy, same way here also dx only. I consider the first term. So see here x cube dx is equal to cross multiplication with the z, separating the variable. So z of z square plus c into dz. Here it is x cube plus dx. So now we will do the integration. Similarly here also in the second term, integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4 is equal to integration of z cube plus zc into dz. So x power 4 by 4 is equal to z cube, integration is z power 4 by 4 plus c is constant, it is z square by 2 plus I will write it as c, capital C, otherwise you can take c2. Okay, c2 by 2. You can take 4. Because our convenience you can write c2 also, okay. Because in the next step I will take 4 as common factor. That's what c is constant, same as c by 4 also constant. That's just I have taken c by 4 as constant. In the next step I will shift x power 4 by 4 minus z power 4 by 4 minus cz square by 2 is equal to c by 4. So taking LCM 4, you can write the solution x power 4 minus z power 4 minus 2cz square is equal to c. This is v. Solution is v. Finally, we have to put it in the form phi of uv is equal to 0. Phi of u comma v. Phi of u comma v is equal to 0. Just do the substitution of these two results. In this problem, see the problem, mz minus nyp plus nx minus lzq is equal to ly minus mx. This is, it is in standard form of Lagrange's linear PDE. So, p coefficient is capital P is mz minus ny, capital Q is nx minus lz, then r is ly minus mx. So, consider the auxiliary equations. Auxiliary equations are dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. So, now p dx divided by p. P is mz minus ny is equal to dy divided by q is nx minus lz is equal to dz by r is ly minus mx. Now previous two problems what we have done, comparing the suitable pairs. When you compare any two variables, any two auxiliary equations, it reduces to the where we can apply separation of variable easily. So we used to get the solutions. But here you can see the denominator terms mz minus ny, nx minus lz. So we can't eliminate any one variable, we can't do the separation of variable. In that cases we have to choose the multipliers. So choosing the multipliers x, y, z, multipliers for the ratios x, y, z, choose x, y, z as multipliers for the ratios. So how do you choose these multipliers means where you have to check the denominators, and when you multiply these and adding all the denominators, denominator should come 0. That sum must be 0. So I'll do that. See, dx plus, here multiplying means numerator and denominator multiply the multipliers x. This is the first one, x dx divided by x of mz minus ny. Similarly, y dy plus z dz divided by, see, x of mz minus ny plus y of nx minus lz plus z of ly minus mx. So, see here you can now observe that denominator after multiplying all terms get 0. So, x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by, see, x mz, here also minus mxz. So, here you will get term get cancelled. Minus xny plus nxy. Similarly, minus xny plus xny get cancelled. Ylz plus lyz. Okay, all terms get cancelled. You will get denominator. So, like this we have to choose the multipliers. So, after this step we are having x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. So, easily we will get the solution by integrating these terms. So, x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to c. Otherwise, c by 2. Therefore, solution is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to capital C1. So, this is our first solution. So, after that, similarly, we have to select one more multiplier. Multipliers we have to select. So, I will select LMN or multipliers for the ratio. So, okay, in the second term, secondly, I will choose the multipliers as L, M and N. So, L dx plus M dy plus N dz divided by, so see here in the denominator, L of mx minus ny plus M of nx minus lz plus n of ly minus mx. So, you can observe here plus lmx. Similarly, minus mx is there, minus mnx. So, here also all terms get cancelled. So, we are having L dx plus N dy plus L m n dz divided by 0. After this step, you have to do the integration. L dx plus m dy plus n dz is equal to some constant, integral constant C2. So, Lx plus, this is m is constant, my plus this is the constant nz is equal to C2. So, this is our second solution. After that, we have to put it in the solution. Phi of u comma v equal to 0. U and v are two solutions we calculated. We have to put it here. So, the thing is, in this kind of problem, choosing the multipliers is very important. It's depend on the denominators. We have to select the multipliers. Okay. Thank you.